Word count is an important subject in search engine optimization. As a result, some SEO tools notify you of your current word count and give you a word count recommendation. We can see an example of this here. This tool says content is 24 words long. Consider using at least 600 words. However, despite this warning, these tools still allow the blogger to publish content with words below the recommended word count. But there's a way to enforce a minimum word count so that you or your writers cannot publish any posts below a specified minimum word count. That's what this video is about, so keep watching if you'd like to learn how. Welcome back. I'm Chuks from Damanja, and it's nice to have you on our channel. To set minimum and maximum word count limits on your WordPress website, we recommend you use a plugin named Publish Press Checklist. To install this plugin, we go to the plugin menu in our WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Then we search for our plugin. This here is the plugin we will use in achieving our goal. Publish Press Checklists. Now install the plugin. Next, activate the plugin. After activation, you will find it displayed as checklist among the menu tabs on your dashboard. Click on it and select checklist from the drop-down menu. You can see that a new page opens to present us with a number of options. The option that interests us in this video is the one that says number of words in content. This option has 3 input fields, as you can see. The first one comes with a default disable, but we will set it as required so that the recommended word count will be required. The next field says who can ignore this task, meaning you can set some publishers to be exempted from this task. We will leave this field empty so that the rule applies to every publisher. In the options input field, we enter the minimum and maximum word count requirement. We used 1000 words for the minimum and 5000 words for the maximum. Next, we go and save changes. After which we go and test the effects of the changes we just made. At the post editor, we can observe that we have a warning indicator on top of the publish button. This indicator prevents publication until the required word count is met. It also prevents publication when the maximum word count is exceeded. So let's now meet the minimum word count and see what happens. Now that we've exceeded the minimum word counts, we can see that we can now publish our posts. The warning has been removed and our posts can now be published. So guys, that's how you can set and enforce a minimum word count for a WordPress post. I'm glad you watched till the end. Kindly like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on new post notification.